Hi, welcome to the Amaretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make caramel apple cider cupcakes. Apple cider holds a very dear place in my heart because I grew up in the Midwest, and in the fall, what you did was you go to the cider mills. But here in Southern California, you don't really have cider mills anywhere, and you can't really get that good, authentic apple cider. So that is where our apple cider extract plays in. This adds beautiful, bold notes of that fresh apple cider into any dish you put it in. I'm also going to be adding our dark spice extract to these cupcakes to add additional notes of nutmeg, ginger, cardamom, just to give it an extra fall twist. So our first step here is we're going to take our butter, put it into our bowl, and I'm also going to add in our sugar. I have brown sugar here. We're just going to cream these two together. So now that our butter and sugar is creamed together, we're going to add in our eggs. So I'm going to be putting in 2 eggs. So now just mix this until it is nice and combined. And lastly, we're going to add in some unsweetened applesauce, and I'm also going to add in our extracts. So first, let's add in our apple cider extract. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this because this is the star of these cupcakes. We want these to be overflowing with bold, delicious apple cider flavor and aroma. So 2 teaspoons, and oh my gosh, the second you open this up, it hits you in the face with that fresh apple cider aroma. So good. Now let's add in our dark spice extract. Because this is one of our spice flavors, they tend to be a little bit on the stronger side, a little bit more bold. So I'm just going to do half a teaspoon of this. You don't need much to get that beautiful, beautiful flavor out of it. And again, yes, so aromatic. The moment you open it up, it's just, you know what it is. And we're just gonna mix this all together and then add in our dry ingredients. All right, so this is nice and combined. I'm going to add in our dry ingredients here. I've already combined all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and just mix it together. So I'm just gonna add this in a little at a time. So we're gonna start with about 1/4 to 1/3 of the batch, mix it in, and then continue with the rest until it's all incorporated. So now let's just fill our cupcake tin with our batter and pop these in the oven. And while these are baking, we are going to make our icing. Now let's make our icing. So as you can see, I have introduced a brand new product here. We are going to flavor our icing with Amaretti's natural cremedy caramel artisan flavor. This is gonna add very bold, creamy caramel notes easily into our icing. We just have butter, powdered sugar, a little heavy cream, and some salt. And first things first, we are going to add in our butter and we are going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. All right, so as you can see, we have some nice, fluffy, happy butter here. This is the perfect consistency to make our buttercream with. So next up, I'm going to add in our powdered sugar. This is about a little bit over 2 cups. And I'm also going to add in a pinch of salt. Now we're just gonna mix this all together. I'm going to pour in a little bit of heavy cream. This is going to help smooth out our icing a little bit more. Because right now it's a little bit too thick and we want it to be easy to work with when we put this in our cupcakes. So about a tablespoon, I just added there. Okay, it's looking perfect. So without further ado, our last step here is to add in our caramel artisan flavor. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. And this adds bold, delicious flavor. And it also is gonna add a nice touch of color to our buttercream. All right, our cupcakes are done. Our icing is done. Let's put these together and make them look pretty. So we are nice and frosted here, and as I was gathering my sprinkles, I found some beautiful gold glitter spray, and I said, why not? Let's give it a shot. I think this will look really, really pretty on there. And if it doesn't, just do it to one cupcake. What's to lose? Let's give these a nice little spray here. Oh, that looks really pretty, actually. This is beautiful. All right, great idea, great find. They are looking absolutely magical. So now I'm just gonna decorate them with some of these pretty neutral colored sprinkles I found. All right, they are done. They are looking absolutely fabulous, so cute. Let's give them a try and see if they taste just as good as they look. Oh my gosh, those are so phenomenal. You immediately get that bold apple cider flavor from the cake, and then slowly you start to develop a nice warm caramel flavor from the frosting. This is absolutely what I needed to kick off this fall season with, and I hope that you give them a try too. And if you do give them a try, be sure to let us know in the comments below what you think about the recipe. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you never miss a new recipe like this, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. You can also find us on social media at Ready on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter. We'll see you next time. Bye.